Number 13, pelvic floor dysfunction can also cause chronic constipation. First of all, what is pelvic floor? So, pelvic floor muscles are those muscles that support A, bladder control, bowel function, and sexual health. So, when these muscles doesn't work as it should, then it indicates pelvic floor function. So, some of the symptoms you might see are number one, you have urge to go all the time, but actually you don't need to go. That's number one. Number two is when you sneeze, laugh, or do exercise, there's an accidental leaking of urine. That's second. And third is sometimes you lose control over bowel or bladder control. So if you have these symptoms that indicate you have pelvic function, pelvic floor dysfunction. And there is a simple test that you can run. Number one is simply sit down and then try to contract your pelvic floor muscles, like as if you are trying to stop the flow of urine, and hold it for a few seconds and then relax. You can try that a couple of times or times and then realize whether you are able to do that or not more comfortably. And there is an issue in doing that that can indicate that you have a pelvic floor dysfunction. So other time you can try during urination. While continuing urination, you can try to stop urination and hold it for a few seconds. And if you're able to do that, then obviously your pelvic muscles can control the bladder. That means you don't, that indicates your pelvic floor muscles are working as it should be working. But if you can't do that, that can also indicate pelvic floor dysfunction. And third, which is more goes to a diagnostic side of it, is using a biofeedback. So biofeedback is you put some kind of equipment and you try to control the muscles after a certain stimuli, and whether you're able to do that or not, that can also tell that more definitively whether you have pelvic floor dysfunction or not. And how can you improve pelvic function when you realize that you have that is causing it? So there are multiple ways of doing it. I'll categorize into at home and after the post diagnosis from a clinician. So at home, you can start doing Kegel exercises, you can doing deep breathing exercises and pelvic floor stretches during yoga or any other form of exercises that can be immensely helpful to strengthen the pelvic floor muscles. And other is using biofeedback mechanisms with equipment and also physiotherapy from the physiotherapist or physio gastroenterologist. They can help you improve your pelvic floor muscles. So simple ways to test it. One, you can actually sit comfortably, hold the uh, hold the muscles, contract the pelvic floor muscles as if you're trying to hold the urine. That's one. Or try to hold the urine while urination. And third is using biofeedback. So this is how you can check whether you have pelvic floor dysfunction that's causing your chronic constipation. And obviously, this is preliminary indication, not a complete diagnosis. For that, you'll have to consult with your doctor.